Today we're doing some vegetation control. Basically we're establishing some more of the safe zone off the right-of-way, so you have more of a clear zone when you're traveling, more line of sight coming around the corners and stuff, and you're not going to have debris, some of the branches hanging over the roadway that you normally would. Basically what we're doing is we're stopping the traffic for very small increments of time to take down the trees and to cut them as we need to. And then we have our sweeper up here, and he's actually brooming off some of the debris that the excavator with the mulcher head isn't able to clean up. And then we open the road up so the traffic can come through, and then we move down the road and continue on. One of the big things is you have corners, but you have inattentive drivers, people texting on their phones, not paying attention, and a lot of people are just driving fast. And so when we're out here, we like people, if they see a sign, to slow down and give us a little bit of space and know that we're out here trying to help them so that they can move more freely and safely, so that way we can all go home too. My why is my family, my kids, my wife and our kids, and my coworkers. We're all family, and we have a pretty tight-knit group, and we like to keep everybody safe and go home.